Hi, Georgi. So you've been in billiard already? It's good today, good play.
Yes, I won one time.
One time?
Yes.
Won already? Many people today.
Maybe about 10, 12
About 10 and
maximum.
Mikos place.
Yes.
Okay, no, walk little bit, Georgi. Maybe a few kilometers, 5, 3, I don't know. Already don't have security, yes, only lock. Chicken, how much chicken? Excuse me, how much chicken, big chicken, how much? 325, okay. How much half? That's good. Good price this one. You can see. In Mabalacat, 225 peso. Maybe check how much in normal exchange. Bonifacia Dental Center. Bonifacia. Also new. Yes, maybe we'll open soon. Excuse me, it's new cafe? Cafe? Cafe shop. Okay, thank you. Cafe shop, Georgi, you can try. You can try next time. Look.
Already.
Hi?
Already.
What already?
I already tried.
You already tried? You seen this guy? Before, show middle finger. You not seen? I think you already seen. How much manga? 150, 1 kilo. Okay.
You get 180. 150 only.
No, not now. We just walk first. It's good price, thank you. Wait, I will check how much. $55, $60 is better today here. I don't know. One girl, but voice like man. One girl to call to another girl. But I think it's a man. Bakla, yeah, bakla. Maybe come back already. Last weekend we already walk. Don't have new place. No, we already been. Wait, come back here maybe. Say. All the same.
Sir, Resto Bar, Kapusan.
What name?
Ay, sir, Resto Bar.
Resta bar. Ah, she said Resta bar. Of course, now not so many people. Orsu Hotel. Someday I want to check this hotel. Orsu. Red Doors Hotel. Orsu. You say tried coffee. You tried coffee in this Connells. Coffee cocktail. But the new you not tried. Huh? Ah, this one new? Yes, I already tried before. You tried before, yes. But new. This is new. Oh, take a look. He show. No, I don't.
But don't put me out there.
I not understand what.
Don't put me on the film.
Ah, not film you?
No,
Ah, if you show to me, why you? No, why?
because I don't want me on film.
No, why you show to me? You know it's not allowed in the Philippines if you tourist.
I know. But get
You know. In the Philippines it's not allowed. You tourist, you need to follow rules in the Philippines.
away. Nobody wants you here.
No, that's why I say to you, if you want, I will show to you in YouTube. Yes, and we go to police station if you want.
You've already been there before. I know that.
Next time, not do it to people who walk. You,
Quit lecturing me. Get the fuck out of here.
okay. You want talk in police station? We go. I have time. Let's go. I show to police station your face.
Get out of here.
Okay, you want arrest here in police station? Why? Why you show to me? I not touch you. I just walk straight. For what?
Yes. Please.
You see, he know channel, hater, yes? Okay. He can watch later.